In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can import AliExpress products to your Shopify. Now, the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to open your Shopify store and you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. And after that, guys, you want to click on apps and sales channels, as you can see in the left. And you want to click on Shopify app store in the top right. Now we need to download this app in order to import AliExpress products to your Shopify. Now in the top you want to search for Deezers. This is the name of the app. As you can see, it's called Deezers, and this is the app that we need to download so that we can import AliExpress products to our Shopify. Click on it and you want to click on Add App. And after that, guys, you want to click on Install App in the top right. And you just want to wait for it like 1 second or 2 seconds. And after that, guys, you want to, if this pops up, it says here log in or sign in, you just want to click on a login if you already have an account on Deezers. But most of you guys don't have an account, so you want to click on sign up. Or if this doesn't pop up, you want to click on register yourself. Okay, as you can see, it says here register yourself. You want to click on it and you will be able to create an account here. Okay, now I'm going to click on login because I already have an account. Click on login. Like I said, if you don't have an account, you want to click on create account. Alright, now after you create an account on Deezers, what you need to do, guys, next is you want to click on home in the top left. You want to click on home, and after that, guys, you will see here Chrome extensions. So we need to download this extension so that we can import AliExpress products to our Shopify. Click on Chrome extension and it will take you directly to Chrome web store, and you want to download this extension. You want to click on add to Chrome, and then you want to click add extension. After, guys, you click on add extension, what you need to do, guys, next you want to click on where you can see all your extensions. Click on it, this one, and then you want to pin the extension in the top. You want to click this pin icon here. Click on it. As you can see, this is the extension. Okay, now you want to click on it, guys, and then you want to click on Deezers. It says here please log into Deezers. You want to click on Deezers and you want to just log in again. Okay, so that extension will be able to read or to know that you have already created an account on Deezers. So after you do that, guys, what you need to do, guys, next is you want to find any product on AliExpress. Now if you go to your AliExpress, you will find like a lot of products here. What you need to do, guys, you want to select the product. For example, I would like to import this product to my Shopify store so that I can promote it using a Facebook ads. Now after you open any product, you will find here something called add to Deezers. You want to click on it, and as you can see, AliExpress product import success. Now you want to go again to your Deezers and you want to click on import list, and here you will find all the products that you have imported to your Deezers account. Now from Deezers you can import these products to your Shopify. Now this is the product that we have imported a few seconds ago. You want to click on push to Shopify, and you want to click on also publish to online store, and here you have to select which Shopify store you want to import if you have multiple Shopify stores. But if you don't have multiple Shopify stores, you will only see here one Shopify store. You will just click on it, and then you want to click on push to Shopify. Okay, now after, guys, you click on push to Shopify, if you go to your Shopify account, you will be able to find that exact product on your Shopify. Okay, now if you go to your Shopify, by the way, you have to wait like a few seconds. You want to click on products. As you can see, products, and here you will find the product. Okay, and then you can click on it. You can click on the eye, and then you will be able to see the product. Okay, now if you want to import AliExpress reviews, because reviews are very important, you want to import AliExpress reviews so that people will trust you, click the video in the screen and drop a like on this video, and you will be able, guys, to import AliExpress reviews to your Shopify store. Please drop a like and see you guys in the next video. Click the video in the screen right now.